going to service the Rinnai water heater. What we need is vinegar, 4 gallons, 2 washing machine hoses, 5-gallon pail, and just a pump. First thing you want to do, unplug it. It should shut off. There we go. And if you look down the bottom, you got a couple of fittings here. Clean outs. Unscrew this. Unscrew this. You're going to turn the water off. Hot water out. Cold water in is off. One of the washing machine hoses up. Doesn't matter which way is which, whether you're pumping it in or putting it out. I like to do it backwards, so I'm going to pump it into the hot side. I got it up on a box a little bit, a 5-gallon pail. Okay. Pour it out. Next hose. Here. The next thing I want to do is actually drain it. So I probably shouldn't have put this on so quick. I'm going to drain the coil. Take this off. I got a slop sink right next door, and I'm going to open these 2 valves up. Here and here. I'll drain the water of the coil. That's it. Drained. Put it back to the pump. We're going to put 4 gallons of vinegar in this bucket. We're going to start it up. We're going to let it run for about 2 hours. This end just goes in the bucket. Okay, I'll fill it back up.